Ma'am, tolerance is the ability
Ma'am,
to within the bad
accept the
situations.
confusions of functions and light.
Accepting. You
Is
can.
it?
Yes. Now.
Imply lack of a commitment to one's own beliefs. It is only condemns the oppression or persecution of others. Tolerance is a lubricant which removes the friction from life. Tolerance enables a coexistence, and tolerance alone can sustain change.
So you can write in this way. You are not supposed to explain so many lines on tolerance. Introduction. So, because what is the question? Question is tolerance, need of the art. So you are supposed to focus on this topic, that tolerance is the need of the art. So in one first paragraph, that will be introductory paragraph, you will be explaining what is tolerance, but not more than 25 to 30 minutes. It should be short. Second part remains body. Why tolerance is the need of hour?
Ma'am, means its importance.
What did you say?
Tolerance is the our
Tolerance,
Western nations have
tolerance is the need of the hour because this generation is becoming intolerant, or we can say
and
that
people are drifting away
lacking.
from each other.
Tolerance is lacking. So in this paragraph, you will conclude. I will be giving you a point. Important points I will be giving in.
मैम क्लासेस में ये भी लिखना होगा ना कि मैम जो इनटॉलरेंस है उसको टॉलरेंस के एडिकेट कर देता है.
Intolerance को tolerance में intolerance is creating lots of problems. Is it creating or not? All the crime, yes, all the suffering is a result of intolerance. Either we are not tolerating situation, or we are not tolerating people, or we are not tolerating environment. What do? We don't tolerate environment. As we are living in the, हम लोग अपने अगर if we talk of Bihar, we are living in the extreme climate. If summer is there, it will go up to extreme. Winter is there, it will go up to extreme. So what do? If it is hot summer day, this is also intolerance. We are not tolerating nature as it is. We are changing according to our requirement. As we are scientifically very advanced, we can do these things. So intolerance is there in each and every field. It is not only that intolerance is there in that we people are not tolerating people's behavior. No, we are not tolerating anything. So this is the main cause of intolerance. So now if we have no way to get rid of coronavirus, we are tolerating it. अभी हम लोगों को मेरे अपने पास कोई भी ये नहीं है, तो हम लोगों ने अपने आप को लॉक किया था. The world had locked most of the part of the world because we didn't know, so we have tolerated. So everything, but you are supposed to sum up in 150 words, and in 150 words you need to write introduction, you need to write body, and you need to write conclusion. Understood? So what is intolerance and why it is need of the hour? Did you get the point? ये क्वेश्चन समझ में सबको आ गया?
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next question then? Will anyone tell me? What is the next question then?
Letter.
Ma'am, letter writing.
What is the
Letter.
topic of that letter writing?
Ma'am, highlighting the increasing number of road accidents and a few remedial steps to control them.
So what will be the remedial steps to control them? Will anyone tell me what will be the remedial step?
Drive at moderate speed.
Drive at moderate.
Follow traffic
speed.
signals.
Don't talk between your riding.
While yes.
While
Ma'am,
driving.
please concentrate on
Do not
driving.
talk. Up, follow
Concentration on driving.
traffic rules.
Never overtake your vehicle.
Ma'am, follow all the
Never
traffic rules.
overtake your
If
vehicle.
you are following all the traffic rules, you will not be overtaken. So many rules are there, no? If you are supposed to
The footlight.
Also,
Ma'am, enforcement of
alert is
traffic
also a
rules.
major part.
Ma'am, do not
Always
use
wear
alcohol.
helmet while driving two-wheeler.
Ma'am,
if
we
you are
have to wear helmet.
if you are driving scooter, motorcycle, bike, scooter, means
Two-wheeler,
If you are
two-wheeler.
driving two-wheeler, you are supposed to wear helmet.
Must wear
If you are
helmet.
driving four-wheeler, you need to use seat belt.
Four-wheeler, you must have to wear
Seat belt.
seat belt.
So these are the traffic rules you are supposed to follow. So is the question over? ये तो easy question था ना काफी?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the next question then?
Yes, ma'am.
Now grammar section, no?
Grammar section.
Ma'am, grammar portion.
Yes, ma'am.
Grammar
Grammar.
portion. Question number 7. Who will read it?
I'm Sarthak.
Krithik.
Sarthak told first. So let Sarthak read. Start, Sarthak.
Given below are some notes on Kaveri River.
Hmm?
Use the notes to complete the paragraph that follows by choosing from the given options. Kaveri River is drying up this year also. Hand pumps and wells in the villages have dried up due to dash.
Hmm?
Ma'am,
Decrease in the level of groundwater.
Low
The
level
level
of
of groundwater.
Yes.
low level of groundwater.
Just a minute. Tawhid sir. Class. Hello. दो. Yes. ठीक. So Kaveri River is drying up this year also. Hand pumps and wells in the villages have dried up due to what will be?
Decreasing level of the
Decrease.
groundwater.
Due to decrease in the level of the ground.
Yeah. It can be fallen or fallen level of groundwater. What can be? Next,
A severe water shortage
yes,
dash
Ma'am, is
is
being situation serious.
yes,
Um,
and the reason. Next, insufficient rainfall.
insufficient rainfall dash situation.
Ma'am, has
has
resulted situation.
resulted in a
Has,
serious situation.
yes, has resulted in serious situation.
I'm complete हो गई.
ये तो complete हो गया. Next, who wanted to read? Kritir. Who has asked? Kritir is not here.
Ma'am, I have. Ma'am,
You are
yes,
there.
ma'am, I'm here.
Okay. Start. Question number 8.
Ma'am, but the question is not clear. Ma'am, it was fold.
Question is not.
हम कॉर्नर से फोल्ड है.
अच्छा कॉर्नर
Yes,
से
ma'am.
fold है तो वो तो इंस्ट्रक्शंस है. Question is here ना. अगर देख, in the following passage one word has been omitted. ठीक है, in each line. फिर हाँ यहाँ पे कुछ भी ऐड कर सकते हैं ना. Find the missing word and write the missing word and the words that come before and after it. What is to be done? You are supposed to write the missing word and you are supposed to write a word before the missing word and a word after the missing word so that you can understand. A great,
Great
Sultan,
7 daughters though.
a great Sultan, 7 daughters.
Before Sultan,
Sultan
seven daughters.
A great Sultan has 7 daughters.
He was very,
Though he was very fond them.
though he was very fond of.
fond of them.
Font before missing word of and after them.
Yes. Next.
His favorite was
His
youngest
youngest.
Before was missing word
and the missing
the youngest.
What is the error in this line? What is missing in this line? His favorite was youngest. Is there any word missing?
Ma'am, the
Yes. Was the youngest. Next. Naturally, the other 6 were.
ma'am, the other 6 were jealous her. Ma'am,
Jealous of her.
Before jealous, missing word of
jealous.
after
Ma'am, the
her.
missing word is
Other 6 were jealous of her.
of
One day, the Sultan was in humorous mood. In a humorous,
mood.
In a humorous mood. He called his 7 daughters in room.
In his room.
Yeah, in his room in the and asked a strange question. अच्छा उसके बाद तो
asked them a strange question.
Now question number 9. Look at the words and phrases given below. Rearrange them into meaningful sentences as given in example. Who will read this?
Ma'am, Kritir.
Shiva.
Shivangi. Okay, Shivangi, start. Kritir has done reading.
Look at the words and phrases given below. Rearrange them into meaningful sentences as given in example. Example: An my has written teacher novel exciting. My teacher has written an exciting novel. First, not this time. The election decided he to contest.
Ma'am, he decided not to contest in the election.
He decided not to contest election this time.
He decided not to contest
इस this time को हम
Contest
लोग पहले भी लिख
the
सकते हैं ना.
election this time. He decided not to contest election this time. Next.
Second, washed away barren land of the top layer, the wind and water by was.
Ma'am, the top layer
Ma'am,
of
the top layer of barren land was washed away by the wind and water.
Next.
Third, a lot of we progress medicine have seen field in the
Ma'am,
off.
we have seen a
We
lot
have
of
seen a lot of progress medicine in the field.
Very good.
ma'am, we have seen a lot of progress in the field of medicine.
Yeah. Now question number 10. Who will read question number 10?
Ma'am, Pooja.
Okay, Pooja, start.
10. Given below are some instructions to prepare a fudge. Use these to complete the description of the process by choosing the correct answer from the option provided. Instruction: first, place sugar, milk, cocoa, and butter in a large saucepan. Second, bring them to a boil, stringing all the time. Third, when boiling hard, reduce the heat
Yeah.
to low and boil for 5. Fourth, place the saucer in
Place the saucepan in cold water
the cold wooden
and beat with a wooden spoon until thick. So what is this?
thick.
What is the question
हम
asked?
इसको passive में
Active
You are supposed to
हम passive voice में कर रहे हैं.
lines in passive. What is the what is the question then? Did you get the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
The milk, cocoa, and butter are placed in a saucepan. They dash when it boiled. The
heat.
and picture is blur.
Okay. Picture is blurred. I have to find.
Ma'am, the string.
Ma'am, it's heat.
Ma'am, you
Ma'am,
were
it is
stirring.
clear.
Here is it is written in page number 48. Sugar, milk,
Yes, ma'am.
butter are placed in a saucepan. Okay, no problem. They dash when. So now look at question number 1. Four options are there. Though you will not be getting any option. यहाँ पे options दिए हुए हैं. Was brought to a boil, will be brought to a boil, is brought to a boil, are brought to a boil. Which will be correct? Which is the correct?
Boil.
Was, will be, is, are.
Ma'am,
They are, yes, very nice. They are brought to a boil.
Ma'am was ready.
Just a minute, actually my connectivity, I lost my connectivity, that's why this happened. Now, I don't know why today net is disturbing a little bit. Huh. So what will be there? We are doing question number, when it boils, the
The heat
The heat was reduced.
heat is reduced.
Was होगा
Ma'am,
मैम
was होगा, heat was reduced.
was
is reduced. जब भी हम लोग इंस्ट्रक्शन को फॉलो करते हैं वहां पे सिंपल we always follow simple present. Okay, the heat is reduced. Now there is a question. यहाँ पे sugar, milk, cocoa and butter are placed in a saucepan. Okay, we are talking about 4 items. So in the next line it is written they. So we have added the answer, they are brought to a boil. Now when it boils, what does it mean? पहले तो they था, अब it क्यों हो गया? Because we are talking about the mixture. When we started with 4 different things, but now we put it in a saucepan and now it became one, and this is
They
named
all make
mixture. Ansika has raised her hand. One more student has raised her hand. I forgot his name. Harshvardhan has raised his hand. So okay. Now heat.
नहीं है मैम है
Subject क्या है यहाँ पे? Heat. Subject is heat, so it will be is. Next, question number last. The saucepan dash and the mixture is beaten until thick. The saucepan is placed.
The saucepan is placed in cold water.
Yeah, the saucepan is placed
in cold
water.
Cold water.
Now
Is placed in cold
11.
water.
Avika will read, or Harshvardhan, who will read? Avika's hand is still raised. Okay, Avika, start. If Avika will not start, chance will be given to Sarthak. Avika, are you going to start? Sarthak, you continue. Sarthak, are you listening me? What happened?
given in the back.
Who is listening me? Who is going to start? Oh, Avika
What's
is
the
in
concept?
meeting room. Okay, I have admitted her.
Ma'am, Sarthak has started.
Manvi wants to start. Sarthak,
Ma'am, Sarthak has started.
Ma'am, Sarthak has already started reading.
but I didn't
Sarthak has started.
listen. His voice is
मैम आपका कुछ कनेक्टिविटी प्रॉब्लम है मैम
Ma'am, maybe due to network problem.
network problem. Today I am also finding some network problem. Every time I am just okay. At least we need to do one question. Question number 12.
It's the last question of grammar section.
Yes.
Ma'am, 11th.
Start.
11.
Choose the best word from the options given in brackets to complete the following passage. Rivers are considered holy dash to in of India, but they are hardly treated with respect.
Ma'am, off India. Ma'am, off.
इंडिया मैम
In India.
In India.
In
In
India.
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 In
Holi
India.
Holi in India.
Off होगा ही नहीं.
But they are hardly
all kinds
treated with respect. Next question.
all kinds of dust and dirt dash found find have found their way into them.
Yeah.
हम
Have
have found.
Have found.
Have found.
Found.
Okay.
Have found.
Yes. Next.
We have to treat and purify the water for drinking. Dash. Why? How? When? Can
How?
fish survive in these waters?
How?
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 Yes.
How can
Every
fish
year,
survive in this water?
every year the Gomti dash become becomes the deathbed for thousands of fish.
Yeah.
Has become.
Have become.
Yes.
हम
Dash
becomes.
become नहीं होना चाहिए
since
मैम
because
becomes मेरे
हम
हिसाब
becomes
से
होना
yeah,
चाहिए यहाँ पे.
becomes होना चाहिए.
क्योंकि यहाँ हैबिट का बात कर रहे
Wait.
हैं
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
habitual action
यहाँ
every
पे
year
Ma'am,
एक finger
becomes.
है. When we talk of if it is every, we go with simple present. So what will
Present.
be the present form?
Becomes.
Ma'am, becomes.
Become.
Becomes.
becomes
हाँ.
Fifth.
Becomes.
Fifth. Dash since because for the water realized from dash and the and the
What will be there?
ma'am the
I'm the
Since and the.
I'm fifth
ma'am
वाले में
in
sense
fifth
होगा
there will be since.
Ma'am, since
Before
and
that it
the.
will be since. And after that it will be the.
the
The.
Yes.
The.
The reservoir upstream carries effluents from the neighboring industries.
Yes. Now 1 minute is left.
And now section B. Ma'am, only 1 minute is left.
Yeah. Should we start
also tomorrow we
literature
can
question?
proceed to literature section
No, ma'am.
We shouldn't start. We should leave question number 11 because in question number 12. Question number 12 is with bangle seller and questions will not be coming with bangle seller. So, question number 13. Read the extract given below and answer the questions that follow. Correct.
Write the correct in your answer sheet.
Correct option in your answer sheet. Who is, but George, why have you changed suddenly? Who is the speaker?
ma'am
Ma'am,
Jane
Jane Hill.
Jane
Yeah,
Jane
Jan.
Yes. Full name of Mrs. Hill is Jane Hill and she is the speaker. What brought about a sudden change in George?
His bad
ma'am his
dream.
bad dream
His
His
bad dream.
bad dream.
Very good. Very good. So what is the next question then?
you are quite different now George is
Ma'am, you are quite
different in the
different now.
sense
George
that
is
he
different in
more
the sense.
What has
that
Considerate.
Considerate.
he has become
Considerate.
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 great
Earlier he was self-centered. Next, name the chapter.
Name the chapter and write couplets by the
A bad dream, Dawn Bear.
A bad dream.